Picture this. You step into your car, and instead of stale air or lingering odors, you're welcomed by scents that feel like a five-star getaway, whether it's the crisp aroma of ocean waves or the soothing calm of lavender fields. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, we're diving into 5 of the best car air fresheners that don't just mask odors, they elevate your driving experience with cutting-edge designs and long-lasting performance. Ready to freshen up your ride? Let's roll! If you're looking for luxury, the Globdaye Smart Car Air Freshener is the answer. This diffuser comes with a 10 ml bottle of high-quality essential oil, crafted by a renowned French perfumer for a refined scent experience. Designed to fit perfectly in your car's cup holder, it features 2 intensity levels and 3 timer settings, 1, 8, or 24 hours, allowing you to customize your aromatherapy experience. Its smart auto on-off function detects vibrations and turns the device on when your car is in motion, then switches off when the engine is stopped, offering effortless operation. Plus, the 2000 mAh battery lasts for up to 30 days on a full charge, and the patented waterless diffusion technology ensures your car stays fresh without any messy refills. For those who want a long-lasting natural fragrance, the Ceeniu F3 Aroma Diffuser is an excellent choice. This diffuser uses 100% natural French essences, including the fresh and inviting new car smell, and comes with a 135 ml fragrance capacity that can last up to 6 months. The device is equipped with a vibration sensor and smart chip to automatically turn on and off as you enter or exit your car. With 2 adjustable intensity modes, you can easily control the fragrance strength to suit your preferences. Additionally, it operates quietly, with noise levels under 35 dB, making it ideal for a peaceful ride. The soft blue ambient light adds an elegant touch to your car's interior, creating a calming atmosphere as you drive. Next, we have the BBTO Car Air Fresheners Diffuser, a stylish and practical solution to freshen up your car. This set includes 100 glass diffusers with wooden caps, each standing at just 1.93 inches tall, making them perfect for compact spaces. Simply remove the plug, add your favorite essential oil, and shake the bottle. The wooden cap absorbs the oil and gradually releases a subtle fragrance into the air. These diffusers are versatile, so you can use them not only in your car, but also in your office, bathroom, or closet. With 100 diffusers in the set, you'll always have a fresh scent on hand. For a deep clean and a fresh start, the Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher is perfect. This product eliminates even the toughest odors like cigarette smoke, pet smells, and sweaty gear and replaces them with a pleasant new car scent. The spray uses your car's recirculated air system to penetrate hard-to-reach areas, ensuring that every corner of your car smells fresh. All you need to do is activate the refresher, let it work for 10 to 15 minutes while your car is running, and enjoy the long-lasting scent. It's a great option for those who need a quick and effective way to refresh their car's interior. For a more subtle, natural fragrance, the Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit is a top choice. This kit combines lavender and almond blossom, offering a fresh and calming blend of natural essential oils. The cordless, portable design allows you to place it anywhere in your car, so you don't have to worry about being near an outlet. With a refill that lasts up to 45 days on the low setting, this diffuser is a hassle-free way to keep your car smelling wonderful. Plus, Wick offers a range of premium scents, allowing you to switch things up depending on your mood or the season. And there you have it, 5 incredible car air fresheners that bring innovation, elegance, and practicality to your drive. From luxurious diffusers to convenient vent clips, there's something here for everyone. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and check the links in the description to explore these products further. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy the ride with a breath of fresh air.